Meaning of engine driver.
Engine driver.
Engine driver.
Engine driver.
Engine driver. An engine driver is a person who operates and controls the locomotive or engine of a train. They are responsible for the safe and efficient transportation of passengers or goods to their destination. The job requires extensive knowledge of the railway system, as well as the ability to handle complex machinery. Engine drivers must be able to follow strict safety procedures and regulations, and be prepared to deal with unexpected challenges that may arise during their journey. Overall, the engine driver plays a critical role in ensuring that trains run smoothly and passengers arrive at their destinations safely and on time.